So let's take an example of you put $100 into the S&P 500 over 2 days. We have a full screen that explains. Say it's $100, and say one day it's up 10%, and the next day it's down 10%. So on $100, on the end of the first day, you have $110, right? Then it's down another 10% the second day, and you have $99. Okay, so there's a typical example of what would happen if you would think that you're just owning that. Now, if you're 2 times leverage, you think you might be down 2% there, but in fact, it doesn't really work that way because of the compounding effect. So here's the $100. Here's what you have 2 times leverage. The 100 at the end of a day, you have $120. If you're 20, move 10% in the S&P 500. If you're leveraged 2 times, you have 20% return. So now instead of 100, you have $120. That makes sense, right? Now let's just say the next day you're down 10%, and instead of your loss is 20%, which is 2x. So you actually have 120 times 0.8. You have $96 here. You would think that you're supposed to have $98 if you're down, but you actually have $96. This is an example of compounding, and it gets fiendishly more difficult. This is the simplest example I could come up with. It gets fiendishly difficult when you go into several days.